In this video, I want to show you how you can launch your online course. So this is very exciting. Now, the fastest way to put your course on the map and to generate a ton of sales from it is to give it away for free first to build the social proof. Obviously, the best way to do this is to get paid enrollments. But if you're just starting out and you have no one to promote and sell your new course to, the next best thing is to just give it away for free. The trick is to find people who are very interested in it. What I mean is, you want to avoid coupon collectors. They're just not going to appreciate it. They will enroll for free, never go through the course, and probably download and share it all over the interwebs for free. Not to worry about that though. Just focus on reaching those people who need your training course and who value it enough to pay for it. But you want to find people who are very interested in the course topic because they will go through the content, and if they like it, hopefully they'll buy your other courses down the road. So who do you give your course away to? Your friends and contacts? Your social media following? Someone with a list of subscribers who are interested in your course topic? And the other way, which is the easiest way, is to simply make your course free initially. This way, people who are actively searching for your course topic on Udemy, for example, will be able to find it and enroll in it. Careful not to switch between free and paid more than once though, or the promotional emails for that specific course will be disabled. You don't want that. Promotional emails, by the way, are a way for you to sell your existing students your other courses that they haven't yet enrolled in. You get 2 of these per month. So that's how you promote your course for free to get students and reviews. This works great, especially if you don't have an online presence or a list of people to sell the course to. By the way, if your course is really high quality, just doing this free promotion alone is going to help your course go far on Udemy. And I've done this for other courses. Just doing the free promo alone allows your course to attract tons of students and great reviews, which leads to high rankings and as a result, paid enrollments. So if you're just starting out and no one knows your name, I highly recommend you do this. In fact, I think it's necessary for your course not only because it will help your course become discoverable on Udemy, but it will also lead to both Udemy and affiliates promoting your course. And people who get your course for free will likely buy your future courses if they're satisfied. So this initial promo really is vital if you are to succeed. So I want to show you an example of Minerva's very first online course. Okay, so this is her very first online course and it's called Course Spatial Data Analysis Introductory GIS with R and QGIS. Let's actually click on it to check out its landing page. So this is the course, and right now it has 5,832 students enrolled. But what we did with this particular course is we launched it on Udemy and made it free until it reached 3,000 students. Okay, it also had a bunch of reviews as well that came from those first 3,000 students that enrolled in it. And it took about 3 months for the course to reach 3,000 students. What we did then, once the course reached 3,000 students, we made it paid immediately and started charging $200 for it, okay? And what the other thing we did was launch Minerva's second course and sell it to our existing students who enrolled in this course for free, okay? The first 3,000. So this is the second course, Minerva's second course. So the first course is around 2 hours and it's a beginner's course, Course Spatial Data Analysis. And the second course is more of an intermediate course and it's around 4 hours. And the promo email that we used to sell this course is right here. This is the world's worst promotional email that you've ever seen, probably. It says, "Hey everyone, hope everybody has had a wonderful January 2017. I could have just said had a wonderful January 2017. Over the last few months, I have been working on putting together a little more advanced spatial, so it's a little bit more advanced spatial data analysis course. The course is now live. The course just got approved by Udemy and I want you to be the first to access it or get access to it. The course is called Intermediate Spatial Data Analysis with R, QGIS, and more. We put an image here. It's actually a clickable image, right? I don't do that anymore, but I designed this course to help you perform more advanced GIS, start mapping and visualizing, make you super proficient in R, introduce you to a powerful free GIS software, and a lot more. The course is over 4 hours and contains over 50 practically applicable lectures. In addition to this, you'll also have my continuous support, etc., etc. The course is full price is $200, but I'm offering to all my core spatial data analysis course students for only $10. Take advantage of this now. The number of available coupons is limited. And then we give them a link here where they can click and purchase the course. So we sent out 2 of these promotional emails plus the organic sales in that first month that we launched this other course. Okay, so 2 promotional emails plus organic sales, and of course affiliate sales and ad program sales. So that's how you launch your online course on Udemy. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to learn more about how to create, optimize, and promote online courses, just go to lahcen.thinkific.com. I'll leave a link below the video. Also, if you need help with your courses, you can get in touch with me today. My website is lahcen.com. Have a good one.